Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn crypto with DeepSeek AI bot $423 in 15 minutes. First, create a MetaMask wallet. If you don't have one, it's free and takes 2 minutes. Link it to the Ethereum network. This is where your earning will flow. Next, grab my pre-built DeepSeek AI code from the description, paste it into CodePen's HTML section. No coding skills needed, just copy, paste, and launch. Click Connect to link MetaMask. Approve the connection. This lets the AI interact with your wallet securely. Now deploy the Liquid Smart contract. This creates a pool for transaction processing. Wait for the ready notification. It takes seconds. Create a second MetaMask account. This holds your liquidity. Copy its address, paste it into the software and click Attach to link it. Transfer your Ethereum from your main wallet to account 2. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. This fuels your earnings. Click Start Mining. The AI now processes Ethereum transactions. Watch your profit chart grow. The more liquidity you have, the more you earn. When ready, hit pause mining, paste your main wallet address, and withdraw profits. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.